Year, everyone! So we're here at Mountain High.
Let's go higher.
Oops.
Let's go higher.
JG is trying to eat all the ice in the world. Not in the world. Just
Ow, you're hurting me.
so ganyan kami dito, taga California. Traffic na traffic dahil napupunta kami sa bukid para lang makapunta sa snow. So Happy New Year again and have a blessed New Year and welcome 2021. Sana
2022 will be back.
all good. Well,
2022 will be back.
I mean, well,
2022
I hope everything will be
back.
better this year. And hi Pangga! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Uy, hurot na naman yung kaon na mahurot nilang ice ba? JJ! Look at him, oh, he's eating the ice.
Hurry up, JJ.
Shh!
We
Ew!
should remind you to go home.
Alright, we've got Thomas.
No, that's
JJ, stop eating this ice, please. So, Babe, stop it, ha? Kauno na po na niya. Oh. Ngita na po ay. Yan, kuya. Ay, kada ko ba na nga ice? Ay. Tama na imong kaon sa snow, be. JJ. Aman ka. Upunit na pud. Kaon na pud. Dili lagi. Don't do that. Do not eat the ice. Ah. Oh my God, that's a big one. Oh no! JJ, stop it! No! Hey, pero nakakaon na. Shh! Tangga! No? Uy! Pastilan eh. Ginagit siya. Gusto ka lagan.